Hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So today our topic is how to turn off notification in Last Day on Earth. First of all, you need to log in your Last Day on Earth account. Then you need to click on the settings icon on top right corner. So click on that. Then you can see here notifications option. As you can see here, if you want to uncheck this option, so you can check or uncheck this option. Then you need to confirm the settings. So this is how you can turn off the Last Day on Earth notification. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and bye.